Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel, Ultimate Phone Guide. Today, we're diving into some amazing hidden features of the iPhone 16 Pro Max that you probably didn't know about. Stick around because you won't want to miss these. First up, did you know that you can instantly convert any app into a widget? Just long press the app icon, and a menu pops up where you can choose a widget size. Once you select one, your app transforms into a widget, and you can even customize its appearance with different colors and sizes. Another cool feature is the Shazam integration with the Action Button. You can now set your Action Button to recognize music instantly. Just press it, and it'll identify the song playing around you and save it directly in your Shazam history, super convenient for music lovers. MagSafe charging has also been upgraded. Now, your iPhone 16 Pro Max supports up to 25W wireless charging, meaning you can hit 50% battery in just 30 minutes when using a 30W or higher power adapter. If you're always on the go, this is a game changer. Speaking of the Action Button, it's not just for muting your phone anymore. You can customize it for camera shortcuts, voice memos, flashlight, or even assign it to open your favorite app instantly. The level of personalization is next level. One of the most exciting AI-powered features is AI masking. This automatically detects and blurs sensitive information in screenshots, videos, and even live streams before sharing. If you want extra privacy, just enable it in the settings under Privacy greater than AI masking. The lock screen now comes with live activities, so you can track things like food deliveries, live sports scores, or flight information without unlocking your phone. Just go to Settings greater than Lock Screen greater than Live Activities, and compatible apps will show real-time updates right on your screen. Gesture controls have been improved as well. The back tap feature lets you double or triple tap the back of your phone to trigger actions like taking a screenshot or opening an app. You can enable this in Settings greater than Accessibility greater than Touch greater than Back tap and customize it to fit your needs. Apple has also enhanced Continuity Camera, allowing you to seamlessly switch between your iPhone, iPad, and Mac during video calls. You can even use your iPhone as a high-quality webcam for other devices. If you're working across multiple Apple devices, this will make your life so much easier. Lastly, Apple has introduced personalized voice with Neural Engine. This allows your phone to create a custom voice model based on your speech patterns, making text-to-speech apps sound more like you. You can set this up by going to Settings greater than Accessibility greater than Voice Recognition and following the prompts to create your own voice model. And that's it for today. These hidden features make the iPhone 16 Pro Max even more powerful and customizable. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more awesome phone tips. See you in the next one.